This is the 3-phase 3-wire 3CT wiring connection for DAE PM Series -B and C. Step 1. Connect A of electric panel to VA terminal of the meter. Connect B to VB. Connect C to VC. Step 2. Insert A through CTA. Connect white wire of CTA to IA plus of the terminal. Connect black wire of CTA to IA minus of the terminal. Step 3. Insert B through CTB. Connect white wire of CTB to IB plus of the terminal. Connect black wire of CTB to IB minus of the terminal. Step 4. Insert C through CTC. Connect white wire of CTC to IC plus of the terminal. Connect black wire of CTC to IC minus of the terminal. These are the RS485 communication ports, plus, minus, and S. These are the auxiliary power ports, 230 volt, 115 volt, and 0 volt. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any question, please contact us at info@daeinstrument.com or refer to our website www.daeinstrument.com.